Hey, are you looking for the best mini drone from AliExpress? I have fixed the top 5 best AliExpress mini drones of their high percentage selling rate, demand, and customer rating. All the links to the drones are in the description, below the video. Subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell, to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. So let's enjoy this video. And at number 5, the best mini drone is new S68 4K HD mini drone. You will get some options on the camera. You will be able to get the no camera version. It won't be provided with. You will be also able to get a single camera version. You will be also able to get a dual camera version, which is optional. It adopted 2.4 GHz frequency. You will get a 4-channel control system. It is provided with 3.7 volt 650 mAh LiPo battery. You will be able to get 11 to 15 minutes fly time, and you will have to charge it for 40 minutes. You will be able to control it via remote control in a 100-meter range. The first-person view distance is about 50 to 80 meters. Its camera angle is fixed at 25 degrees. With a small size, foldable arms, it is easy to carry. It is also provided with a built-in 4 Kelvin's Pixel HD camera. It is also provided with some amazing Wi-Fi functions. You will be able to connect it to the applications, a PK system, and it will be able to take photos, videos, and real-time transmission through mobile phone camera images. You will be also able to fly the drone autonomously along the specified path according to the flight path you will draw on the screen. It is provided with multiple modes which provide wonderful experiences and enjoyment. You will get altitude hold mode in it, which will help it to maintain a consistent altitude so the flight stays stable. It is also provided with headless mode, so you will find it easy to control and you won't need to adjust the position of the aircraft before flying. You will also get a one-button back function which will help you to get it with ease in a time of need. This feature will also play a good role in emergency situations. You will also get a 6-axis gyroscope and LED lights that will make the flying more spectacular, especially in the dark. And at number 4, the best mini drone is NSAW S171 Pro Mini Drone. You will be able to control it from 100 meters range. You will be able to capture great quality 1080 pixel full high definition. You will be also able to capture a 4K ultra high definition video with it. You will be able to do aerial photography. You will be able to do aerial photography with it. It is provided with 4 control channels. They will help you to control the device with satisfaction and will give you the opportunity to capture some great photos and videos. It is 8 cm or 5.5 cm and 4 cm in size. It is provided with brush motor. It takes about 1.5 hours to fully charge it. Its camera mount type is 2-axis gimbal. You will be able to operate it even if you will have beginner level operating skills. You will be able to fly it for about 10 minutes. You will get great controlling features in the app. It will take photos of 4096 by 2160 pixel resolution, and the video's resolution will be 1920 by 1080 pixel. Its frame rate is 25 frames per second. And at number 3, the best mini drone is F5 GPS 4K drone. You will be able to go up and down, forward and backward. You will be able to turn it left and right, will be able to fly it sideward. You will also have some extra light and will be provided with the most needed help in the dark because it is manufactured with LED lights. You will be able to be the protagonist wherever you go. You will be able to keep it 5 meters away from the controller. It is provided with the Follow Me function which can automatically follow the flight. You will able to click where you want to fly, will be able to draw the waypoint of the flight path you want on the app map. Your aircraft will fly autonomously according to the route you have set. This drone has a 360-degree surround shooting system. You will be able to shoot blockbuster movies with ease. You will be able to set your favorite target as a hot spot. This will help you to shoot around the target by yourself. You will be able to share photos and videos. You will be able to do single or multiple selections of photos to share them. That means you will be able to share multiple photos at the same time. But the videos can be shared individually only at the same time. It is blessed with some great flying modes and flying features, and we have mentioned some of them earlier. It is provided with the Follow Me function and waypoint flight as we have mentioned earlier. It is provided with a surrounding flight function which will help you to have some great videos and pictures. It is provided with altitude hold mode, which will help you to maintain a consistent altitude by holding the altitude. In at second place, the best mini drone is E88 Pro RC4K GPS drone. It is provided with a 3-level flight speed to switch, which can make it more fun with the flying. It has a frequency of 2.4 GHz. It is provided with 816 No. coreless motor. It is provided with a battery that is 1800 mAh in capacity. It will be able to give you about 20 minutes of flying and will take about 100 minutes to be fully charged. It will be able to provide 4 kelvins resolution and also will be able to provide dual 4 kelvins resolution, but it is optional. You will be able to enjoy its dual camera function. This is made of high strength and resistant engineering plastics. These qualities make it durable. It is also lightweight in weight. It is manufactured in a beautiful black color. It is provided with 4-channel, which is able to do ascend, descend, can fly forward or backward, left sideward fly, right sideward fly, and 360 degrees rolling. It is provided with a 1-key automatic return feature, which is a very useful feature for the drone flyer. You can return it without doing much hustle, by clicking only one button. It helps the flyers in emergency moments. It is provided with some great modes for flying, which will be your helping hand in flying drones and having a wonderful experience. You will get 1-key return mode, which we mentioned earlier. It is also provided with altitude hold mode, which will help you to hold the altitude and to maintain a consistent altitude. It is also provided with a headless mode, which will help you to operate it easily. You will be able to understand the drone better. Controlling the drone will also become easier. It has similarities with Mavic Air 2. It's a mini drone in size. You will be able to do aerial photography with it. You will get an E88 RC quadcopter, a transmitter, a 3.7-volt, 1800 mAh LiPo battery, a USB charging cable, 4 protection covers, and 4 spare fans in the package. In at number 1, the best mini drone is SG700 Max GPS drone. You can capture videos in 4 kelvins ultra high definition. You will be able to do aerial photography with it. There are 4 control channels in it. It is provided with a brushless motor, which adds an extra point to the drone. Its charging time is about 300 minutes. It is manufactured with a fixed camera mount. It is a helicopter-type drone. You will be able to operate it with a beginner skill, and it will be good if you have an intermediate skill. Its state of assembly is ready to go. You will be able to fly it for about 25 to 28 minutes in a full charge. It is provided with the ability to returning itself to the takeoff point with one button. After connecting the aircraft to the GPS, you will have to open the app to follow functions. Also, the aircraft will be able to move with the mobile phone. You will be able to click photos automatically by doing gestures. Within 1 to 5 meters from the aircraft, you will have to face the camera to make a photo gesture or camera gesture. You will be able to do multi-point flight planning for the route. You will be able to fly the aircraft autonomously according to the preset route, and you will be able to focus on shooting. You will be able to get a fixed point surround. First of all, you will have to find the center point of the surround, and then you will be able to use the joystick to move the desired surround radius. You will be able to add filters, video effects, background music. You will be also able to share pictures or videos. You can control it with the remote from the 1000-meter range, which means its remote distance is 1000 meters. You will get a drone, a charger, a USB cable, a remote controller, and operating instructions in the package. Don't forget to subscribe, and I request you please share this video.